Hey y'all, good morning. So, oh my gosh, y'all, I fell asleep with my makeup on, but don't judge. Ooh. But anyways, me and Savannah, oh my gosh, just like, don't judge, okay?
Hello?
But, hello.
Hello?
Where your phone at?
Huh?
Where's your pink phone?
No?
But anyways, we at Home Depot right now. We finna go get this ladder for the house. Then we're going to get us some coffee and run our little few errands. Oh, pretty. What happened to our smiley face? You drew over it? Oh my gosh, so pretty.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, a pumpkin. We decorating our little pumpkin for Halloween. You gonna spell your name? Leave some room for, ooh, let me see. Oh, so pretty. I love it. Yeah. Don't mind this damn yard came off. Draw, let me see. Draw a heart. Oh, pretty.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, so pretty. I love it. Cheese. We're getting boba. Cheers.
Cheers.
What's up, you guys? I just got up from work. Girl, just know I'm choosing to look like struggle. Just know that. Okay? I'm choosing to walk around with no motherfucking lashes, no weave, no freaking nails. I got gas. Excuse me, I just farted. That's the tea, I just farted. Excuse me, I have gas. But anyways, I'm about to, I just got off work. Did y'all watch my new video? Bitch, I finally posted. That's the tea. I finally freaking posted a new video. I finally edited. I took my laptop to work. Maybe that's what I need to do. Even my coworker, he was proud. He was like, oh, yes, you took your laptop. I'm like, yeah, I know, right? Because that's what I'm going to do, that shit. That's when the fuck I'm going to edit if I take my shit to work. Because if I'm at home, I'm not doing it. That's a lie. Because I just said I'm going to go home and edit. We're going to see. But, see, your girls just get off work. Back to what I was saying, just get off work. I'm going to go pick up my daughter. I wanted to go work out, but I did a little 30-minute walk at work on my lunch break. So, I should be Gucci. But I want to go to the gym. I got to get me a gym membership. I literally have no gym membership. Like, I don't know which gym I want to go to. Do I want to go to Crunch? Do I want to go to True Fit? Do I want to go to Plain Fitness? But, honestly, I want to go back to the YMCA. I do. I really do. I like the YMCA. I just wish it worked with my schedule. Okay, y'all. So, I'm preheating my oven. I'm putting my little thing back here. This time next year, baby, I'm gonna have a, what is that? Damn, I can't even think of the fucking name. You know which one I'm talking about, the flat one. Y'all know the stove, which stove I'm talking about, the flat one, you know. The nice one, you know, the chic one. I can't even think of the stove. What's it called, y'all? I can't even think of the name. But y'all know which stove I'm talking about. Next year, quote me, y'all. In a couple of months, y'all gonna see me with a new one. Because I'm gonna move y'all a little bit out. I'm moving real soon. So y'all be like, bye kitchen, bye. Y'all gonna miss, I'm not gonna miss this kitchen, so I hope y'all not either. I just got like, damn bitch, why you letting the water run? Because it's free, that's why. Okay, guys, so I just got to get my nails done. Like, they cute. They alright. This is a school. This is supposed to be a school. It's throwing me off, but it's cute though. I like it though. It's cute though. It's cute. I like it. It's cute. Yeah, you my summer girl. It's cute. Okay, y'all. So I had stopped at Target. So like, I usually go to the Target by my house, and this one is over here by my nail tech house. And this is a super Target, girl. I didn't even know Target had all of this. Like, the super Target had all of this. Like, I did not know this. Like, did y'all even know Target had like salads and shit? That shit crazy. I did not know that. Oh, this is so cute. Girl, I'm gonna get my baby some cookies. So she like cookies, but I bought some cupcakes. I'm gonna get her some cupcakes. But I'm gonna make sure I get her some cookies because she loves chocolate chip cookies. Let me see. Well, she really like certain cookies, like. Let me see. Because I already know my baby. She gonna want it if they soft. Gotta be soft. Literally, my budget was $50. Ended up spending $200. That shit crazy. I know it. Y'all know what it be for me, the sense of entitlement. Like, you know, first of all, bitch, I'm being nice. Let's get there understood by letting you cross the street. Like, let's get that understood. I'm being nice. But to have the audacity to fucking be on your phone and walking while I'm letting you cross and get in front of me is crazy. And you're taking your precious time. You sitting there scrolling on your phone while crossing the street. Like, you're fucking playing with me. You have to be. Like, make it make sense. Like, this is inside of me. I have to blow my horn at this bitch. Because, like, what the fuck? Are you serious? Bitch, I need you to put on a speed walk. Like, are you slow? Yo, I'm kind of hungry. Well, I'm hungry. I am hungry, but I'm not. All I had today was fucking some coffee and a bagel. That's it. My plan was to go home and cook, but that didn't work. I've been in this fucking Target for about an hour and some change. Like, just, it was so irritating. Am I like the only person that likes to, like, when I'm shopping, I need to go down like all the aisles? Well, not majority of the aisles. Do you know when you haven't been somewhere in a while? Like, I barely go to that Target, so when I do, I like to, like, really look around. Because it's the super Target, and they have more shit than the Target that I usually go to. So, yeah. Tomorrow, we're supposed to go to the, I'm taking Savannah to, what's it called? A little fall festival, a little pumpkin patch situation. But then I'm supposed to go to this little festival afterwards. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say happy Saturday. Say it.
Happy Tuesday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Good job.
Saturday.
We just wanted to say good morning. We sitting out here on our patio. Eating a banana, watching the cars go by. I kind of want some coffee, but I don't know. I don't really know about the coffee today. I kind of want to go to Walmart or something. We're going to go to the fall festival. I need to find her something to wear. Yeah, we probably can go. We'll make us some breakfast and then we'll go to the fall festival later. Papa? What? What Papa is? Girl, she love her Papa. You love your Papa? You love Papa?
Oh.
But yeah, y'all, so.
Mommy.
Go get Stitchy. Get him. Get him. Get him. Come on. Wait. That's what you call a cool kitten. Hey, cool kid. Say rawr. Let me see. Say rawr. Rawr. You're so funny. See that? She cool. Okay, you guys. So we're here. Okay, like they got some cute stuff. I like how at they bar they got more than just beer. They actually got cocktails. Yeah, they just don't got good music. What is this? Oh, those are the little things. Hey, she putting them sparkles in her hair. That's cute. Good. Okay, y'all. So far, I'm rating the freaking festival a 4 out of 10.
Is this Fieldhouse Tavern?
Is this what this one? Yeah, this is Tavern.
This is okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, so that's what I was saying. It's like literally a 4 out of 10. Like it's not giving what I thought it would give. Like it's just a lot of white tea and dogs. And like all the white teas got the same dog. Like a lot of golden retrievers and golden doodles. And labs. They got things for labs. He like shit. I'm tired, mama. Right. Like now my drink kind of kicking in a little bit. Yeah, you should have. It's short now. Want another drink? Okay, guys. So where the festival is, it's like a restaurant. Like it's a couple of little restaurants on the street. So we just decided to stop at this one restaurant. It's what is this restaurant called? 51 North Tap Room. We're gonna see what it's giving. I ordered a lemon drop. It's very sour. I don't taste the vodka, but we'll see. Yo, I gotta update y'all about my car. The girl is closed right now. Your girl is fucking hard. My car broke down on me. That shit crazy. People who like spicy shit kill me. Like, why everything gotta be spicy? Or your food gotta be spicy, your drink gotta be spicy. Me? People who like spicy generally. You put hot sauce on your salad?
Yeah, that's right.
That's just Yeah. Hmm? Seafood. So I got some oysters. I have a dozen.
Am I getting fish?
No. Unfortunately, no.
I didn't see it, but I heard about it. This shit is fishy. It tastes raw. I like the grilled ones. We see sauce. We're gonna start vlogging outside of the park. Okay? We're making progress. You're on the table now.
Yo, that was it. I just want to get that out there. You already ate your drink?
I mean, don't you want to slap away?
Your drink must be very
I mean, it's not, but it's like, it's all meal things, you know.
Why you get a spicy drink? You know, it ain't even spicy, it's just sour. That's like fresh horseradish. Like,
Oh my god, it's so many.
it's not
Like this has 10 pieces in it. Yeah, this has 10 pieces. Now, what are y'all thinking? Great Thanksgiving? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna... It's weird. I would love to be there. Like, yeah. Sherrell too. I don't know why you're sitting even if we stick in front of the face, like, food, don't know.
You fucking suck. Like, yeah, he just don't want to eat. He's just not like hopefully once he becomes
But it goes in them and I know physically
So we both got tacos. She got the street tacos. I got a different type of taco. Then I got the cocktail of the week. Anyway, so I wanted to do a little OT outfit of the day. OOTD. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, I've been drinking, but basically, I just have this freaking little tank top, this fuck it, just little tank top from Sheen, little like pants, little I don't know what kind of pants are these. I got these from Charlotte Russe. New Balances, bag, cardigan, hair bun, like yeah. So yeah, I hope y'all heard me, but yeah, just a little OOTD outfit of the day. Yeah, period. Something just cute, casual, whatever. It's just like I'm just having a lot going on in my fucking car. But it is what it is. We'll talk about that later on. My sister told me, like, she's like, you need to just start posting full body and, like, doing the outfit of the day. So I'm really trying to give y'all content. Like, I'm really trying to get to it. Like, just do better. So just work with me. Honestly, I don't be showing my full body because I'm very insecure about myself. Especially ever since I had a baby. I don't really care to, like, show my body. I'm very, like, ever since I had my child, I'm very insecure about the way I look. And, I'm slowly but surely getting back comfortable in my skin. But let me go back out there. Especially ever since I had a baby, I don't really care to, like, show my body. I'm very, ever since I had my child, I'm very insecure about the way I look. And, I'm slowly but surely getting back comfortable in my skin. But let me go back out there.
Whole dirty hand.
Okay, you guys, so I made it back home. Right now, I'm in Devon's room. Like, we're looking at cars. Let me tell y'all what fucking happened. Basically, here's a quick little story time. So, I've been noticing, like, my car kind of been fucking up. Like, I just noticed, like, my car just been acting weird. Like, especially, like, with me driving. Like, basically, first I'm thinking, like, it's the brakes. Like, it be seem like it don't want to fucking stop. That's really what I was noticing. Like, it seemed like my brakes was going out. Like, I'm braking, like, it's shaking, like, it don't really want to stop. So then, like, yesterday, I'm on my way. I just left work, right? I'm finna go get my notes in. So, I'm leaving my job. It was like my car got stuck in, like, one gear. It seemed like my car didn't want to change gears. And so, boom, it finally changed, and then, boom. I didn't think nothing else about it. I was like, that was weird. So, today, I'm like... So mind you, I get in my car, it's going, me and Savannah, we went to go wash my car. Like, look, I've been really taking care of my car. I've been taking care of this bitch. I've been taking care of Maggie. Like, I've been keeping her clean, having her smelling good, make sure this bitch is washed, like, vacuumed, everything. Anybody that fucking know me know my car be dirty as hell, don't divorce. Yes. So for me to keep my car clean, that's really tea. Like, that's tea. So today I went to make sure I took my business. I'm like, damn, let me go wash my car. My car look dirty. So boom, I went to go wash my car. I went to go to Target and get my baby some stuff. Blah blah blah. So boom, we at home. Like, we dressed. We finna go to a pumpkin patch. We didn't even go to the pumpkin patch, y'all. So we finna go to the pumpkin patch. I'm on my way to go to my mama's house so I can cook it. My sister, blah blah blah. I'm like, damn, my car fucking up. Like, why the fuck my car driving like this? It's like, it's not switching gears. It's not trying to change gears. I'm like, what is going on? So I'm calling Devon's, like, boom, Devon's not answering. I'm like, now I'm getting irritated. Like, why the fuck are you not answering the phone? Bitch, I know you at home. Why you not answering the phone? So then he finally answered on the third. I'm like, by this time I'm irritated. Like, why you not answering the phone? Oh, let my phone in the car. Anyways. Then I noticed my check engine light come on. I'm like, there's something wrong with my car. Like, it seems like it's not changing gears. It's keep going from like 3 to 4, blah blah blah. Like it want to change gears, but it's not. And boom, he's like, it's on a transmission floor. I'm like, okay, so boom.
Right now, I don't know what it is because
right now, basically, we don't know what it is. Everybody
transmission fluid is all in the car.
Right, so basically, we don't even know what's wrong with the car. Everybody just keeps psyching me, trying to, you need her to get you in the car, your transmission going out, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, hold the fuck on. Like, let's get it diagnosed first because we really don't even know the T. Everybody keeps stressing me, look for a new car, look for a new. I'm like, for what?
We're going to get a new car at 210,000 miles, guys. We all can agree, huh, guys? Leave down in the comment if you all agree.
Mind you,
210,000 miles.
It got 219.
Okay. I was being modest then. Thanks for correcting that. 219,000 miles. Y'all leave a comment down at the bottom. Let us know if that's too many miles. What miles is your car at?
Anyways, be quiet. Anyways. So everybody just keeps stressing me out. We need to get you in the car, like blah blah. I'm like, damn bitch, my car ain't even been there for a whole 24 hours, and y'all already trying to get me to drop this bitch. Like what? Like damn, I can't even grieve. I can't even mourn about my car. I can't even think about my car. They already trying. You might as well get you right now. I'm like, wait, huh? Like pause. Like let's see what's wrong with the car first. But more of the story, like. More of the story is, I'm car shopping right now. Like, and it's so crazy because I literally just had a dream, like, the other day I had got a brand new car. I was like, damn, what the fuck? Why am I dreaming about this car? Like, and it felt so real. No, I'm really... Yeah, that's ugly, but they cool, but I really don't like it because it's not touchscreen. I want something touchscreen.
Oh, no, it's cool. I like this.
Lexus don't have touchscreens.
With the convertible top?
The wives want me to get like a foreign car. I don't know why.
I definitely want you in a foreign car. Hey, to be honest, guys, without her permission, when I go cast that check, it ain't shit she gonna say.
Like, I want to be in a foreign car. Like, that's like my dream was. I had a dream I was in a G-Wagon. It was an all-black G-Wagon with blue interior. Somebody gifted it to me. I was like, he's like, they're going to use a car.
Give him the T. No, give him the T for real. Her man got an Audi, and he keeps that bitch fixed. Stop playing. Something about the foreign, okay? Something about the
that motherfucker antique. Let's get that understood.
It is antique, but guess what? Is that antique
20 years up?
Hey, is that antique pulling better than a lot of others next to us?
Anyways, be quiet. Like
I know. I just had to get the T on the Audi. Okay, she mad. Let me stop.
Like, shut up. Like, be quiet. Anyways, like, the wives want me to get a foreign. Mind you, I want to get a foreign too, but, like, I'm very modest. Like, I'm very... What the fuck is that? Rational. Like, I'm very, like... How much... I'm not trying to pay $200 for a fucking oil change. I'm not trying to pay $500 for some brakes. I'm not trying to pay a lot for maintenance.
I like this Cadillac.
No, Cadillacs are not good cars. No, I'm not.
This one right here is nice.
Well,
man.
I don't want a Cadillac. It's ugly. I don't like Cadillacs.
That's nice.
I don't like Cadillacs.
Okay, babe.
I don't want that. It's ugly.
Nobody. What about this 2020 Infiniti? You like that? You like that?
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
I saw your teeth.
I want the car. I want the sedan.
Damn, babe, damn. Hey, look.
Bye.